Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing All Season Suites. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 1 swimming pool, non-smoking rooms, free Wi-Fi, family rooms, free parking, facilities for disabled guests and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. All Season Suites opposite the Gatlinburg Golf Course. This hotel is located 2 miles from Dollywood and Splash Country. Every suite offers a kitchenette and free Wi-Fi. A living room with a sofa bed is provided in all suites at All Season Suites. A cable TV is included in the bright-colored suite, and an in-room safe is available. An outdoor pool is offered at Suites All Season. Also available is a game room. Pigeon Forge Factory Outlet Mall is 5 minutes drive from this hotel. The Dixie Stampede show is just 0.5 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.